European stocks are extending their rally today, although at a slower pace. So let's bring in my colleague Philip Enns in London for a check on all the reasons why. Philip?
Yeah, Scarlett, very good morning to you. So we have the earnings story on the one hand with really good figures out from Goldman Sachs this week, from Philips, from here in Europe, and also from JP Morgan yesterday. And then we have the terror attacks in Indonesia and also the unsolved CIT situation, which are the backdrop really for trading here in Europe today. And obviously also the focus on Citigroup and Bank of America later on today. Let's check in with the indices. You said already we're trading higher. We are indeed, but not with this significant upward momentum as we've seen on Monday or Wednesday. FTSE, DAX and CAC higher by less than 1%, 0.5%, and a little bit more for the DAX and the CAC 40. So let's quickly look at some of the sectors that are moving today. We have a big car story here with Porsche and Volkswagen today. So the car sector is gaining momentum today with 0.7% higher. Financial services also higher by a little bit more than 1%. And retail and travel and leisure shares are down the most, and currently actually the only two sectors that are dropping in the stocks 600. Speaking of travel, Scarlett, British Airways, that's Europe's third biggest airline, plans to raise nearly $1 billion in new funding as declining revenue and the most profitable business, that is the transatlantic route, the business class, is draining cash reserves. The carrier is starting a £300 million sale of a convertible bond and will also get new credit lines from banks. So that's one of the travel story. The big story, obviously, also on the car story is Porsche. More on that from Ryan Chilcote in the next section. Back to you.
Thanks very much.